Let's explore the NetBlock 3D Custom Library Enablement, which allows users to upload custom cavity libraries. I will begin with a preview of the library in the MDTools Library Manager. Select Options, then select your library. From here, you may add cavities from a default library, modify existing cavities, or create custom cavities with unique specifications. Once this library is settled, log on to ourprojectspace.com to upload. Select the Library tab, Database Type, Units, and then select the folder containing your cavity library. Select Next to move on to the validation step. This is a passive process and does not require the user to stay logged into our project space. In the review step, data administrators can view the library in a NetBlock 3D sandbox environment before publishing it to users for use within NetBlock 3D. Add a note in the Publish step, and select Publish to deploy to all NetBlock 3D users within your organization. If you realize there is an error with this library, you can either restore the previous library or disable the recent upload. Disabling the upload will return users to the default NetBlock 3D library. Data administrators can also select preferred construction ports for use with the Insert Construction Port command. To do so, navigate to Settings, select and add Preferred Construction Ports. After this enablement, when a user logs into NetBlock 3D, they will only see the library that was uploaded, reducing time spent searching through massive default cavity libraries. This reduces the rework done once a design is handed from a NetBlock 3D sales engineer to a design engineer, as only approved cavities, footprints, and bolt holes are available. When using the Insert Construction Port command, they will only see the preferred construction ports designated in the settings.